Hey guys, today I'm going to show you our 4Runner modular storage panels. This system was developed to help eliminate some of the clutter in the back of our 4Runner and also keep things accessible when we're out on the trails. It comes with 3 mounting locations, which helps with stability and reduces vibration and noise. Each one of the holes are factory bolt locations, so there is no drilling, cutting whatsoever. It's a really quick, easy install. All your hardware is provided for this system. You'll have 2 billet aluminum spacers on each side along with the brackets and the bolts. Like I said, all of it's included in the system. It also comes with a handy dandy bottle opener, so when you're done at the end of the day and you're ready to camp out and have a couple beers, you can do so with this little system, with this bottle opener. It works with different MOLLE panels and strapping systems. I have just purchased these over time depending on what my needs are. This is obviously a first aid kit we have here. You can't leave home without your duct tape, flashlights, toilet paper. Holder is actually one of our products that we make too. It's for the haters. We dedicate that to you. So when you're out on the trail and you need a little TP, it's always here ready for you. I also have little systems that hold WD-40 and just little bags for different stuff that we use over time. You can purchase them on our website at ragofabrication.com, and if you have any questions, just let us know.